Hi, welcome to Visualise Training and Consultancy Limited. My name's Daniel Williams and I'm the founding director. We provide specialist workplace assessments for employees living with visual impairment or hearing loss. We know that sight loss or hearing loss should not equal job loss. We provide assessments and reports to ensure that employees get the correct, reasonable adjustments in place whilst they're at work. We also provide a suite of training, so deaf awareness training, visual impairment awareness training, and this can be delivered both face-to-face or e-learning. I set up the company because I wanted to make a difference in the world, to make the world more inclusive for people that have visual impairment and hearing loss. Like myself, I have a visual impairment, so I've used my personal and professional experience to make the world more inclusive. For more information, please contact www.visualisetrainingandconsultancy.co.uk, or why not email us info@visualisetrainingandconsultancy.co.uk, or call 07472 305 268.